do this question, okay? So it says the figures below is formed by two identical circles. Okay? Oops. Two identical circles. One circle, two circles. With the center at A and C. I believe the A is here and C is probably here. Here's the center. So maybe A is here. A is here and C is here. A and C. A, B, C, D is a square and the length of AB is 15 centimeter. AB. So I'm going to connect it. So A is here. B. Oops. A bit hard to draw on here. Okay. And then you know that A, B, C, D is a square. So I'm going to connect all the 4 points to become a square, right? Okay, now it becomes a square already. So the figure below is formed by two identical circles. And then you know the A, B, C, D is square. A to B is 15 centimeter. If you know that here A to B is 15 centimeter, it means that the whole square you are able to find the area, right? Okay, never mind. Let's find the parameters of the unshaded part. Unshaded part will be this part here. Correct or not? If you see here, you realize that all this is a right angle. A right angle. You notice that the unshaded part, if I were to see from this angle here, can I see? I can see that I have a square, and then I have a 1/4. This is a 1/4 of a circle. This portion here is 1/4 of a circle, correct? So I have 1/4. 1/4 of circle. And then if I were to see from this side here, look at this side here. Here is a square. Here is a square. And then I have a 1/4 again of a circle. So I have 2/4 of a circle, which means a semicircle is half, right? Okay, I try to label it. I try to make it more easy for you to see if you cannot see. I look from here. This is a square. I have a arc here. And then this portion here is a quarter, right, of a square. Correct or not? Okay, huh? And then when I look from this angle here, I see a square. And this portion here is a quarter of the square, correct? Correct, right? Okay, so that's what we finalized. So I know that this is a semicircle. So I just find the parameters of a semicircle. So the parameter of a semicircle because the parameter is this side here, right? And I know that it's actually half of a circle. Because the half times 2 pi r. Correct or not? perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. So now it's only half of it because there's 2 quarter, this 1 quarter and then this 1 quarter. So 1 quarter add 1 quarter become 2 over 4. So it's actually half of a circle, okay? Then it's pi times r, 3.14 times 15 centimeter. This is perimeter, remember. It will not be centimeter square. So 3.14 times 15. So it will be 47.1 centimeter. Okay? Then if ask you to find the total area of the shaded. Remember the video that I think I shared previously about how to find the shaded, right? Correct or not? Maybe I can first find, I want to find this portion here, the shaded for this portion here, okay? So you already very easily, that time you remember that I actually show you something like this. If I use the square and minus the quarter of a circle, what will I left? I will left with this, right? This portion here, correct? Correct or not? So this is what I will left. It is this portion here. But then I need another one for this. So it's also the same, the square, go and minus the quarter. All you can do is, you know this, the area for this and this will be the same. So I find the area of the square, right? This portion. Maybe I rub away some of this. I rub away, not I rub away this. So more easy. You know this portion here will be the area of square minus away the area of this. Will give you this thing here. This is the area of this. So the area of a square, you know that 15, right? So it's 15 times 15 centimeter square minus the area of a circle. What is the area of a quarter? The quarter, okay? So it's 1 over 4 times pi r squared. So this 15 times 15, punch in calculator is 225 centimeter squared minus 1 over 4. Pi will be 3.14 here, then times 15 times 15, correct? So over here will be 225 centimeter squared minus 176.62 centimeter squared. Okay? You can have to do your working nicer. 2.14 times. You can do the calculation. You realize the area of that portion here, this portion here, is 48.375 centimeter square. Okay, which means that this portion here is also 48.375 centimeter square. So now it's asking you to find what? The total area of the shaded. So I only find this, the shaded of this portion and the shaded of this portion. I still have this portion here, which is 3/4 of a circle. So this portion here the whole shaded, right, which is 3/4 of a circle. So the area for this, the 3/4 of a circle will be area for 3/4 of a circle will be 3/4. Let me move this. So 3/4 of a circle. Area of will be 3/4 times pi r squared. So 3/4 times 3.14 times 15 times 15 will give me an area of 529.875 centimeters square. So this is the area, and then this portion here is also the same. Okay, so what will be the total area of the shaded? Total area of the shaded, B. The total area of the shaded will be this quarter times 2. Then you add this thing here times 2, correct? So I have 529.875 centimeter squared. You know, this is 529.875 centimeter square, and then you add this times 2 because there will be 2 circles, or you can do this here times, okay, why not I just do this, add then bracket times 2, which is this one, add this one, why times 2? Because there is 2 of this thing, this one, and then this is the second one, so times 2. We'll have a figure of 1156.5 centimeters square. Okay.